All right, I'm Dr. Paul, and we are here at our Chiropractic Personal Injury Documentation Seminar, and we're here with Dr. Chris. Now, Dr. Chris, how long have you been in practice?
It's about 20 years.
Oh, a little while. And how long have you been doing personal injury?
I would say probably half that time.
Okay, go say quite a while then.
Yep.
You've been to several personal injury seminars?
Yep, I have.
Okay, so you've been through this personal injury seminar. What do you think about it?
I think it's the best thing I've ever attended as far as just seminars in general, and especially because of the personal injury stuff.
And why do you say that? Why do you say it's the best seminar you've ever attended in 20 years?
Well, because the objective information that I get that I can actually use to implement, that's going to build value to my practice and to the patients that I see is very real.
How well did we put it together?
Perfectly. Yeah, very organized.
How sequential is the material that you now know you need to do in your documentation to increase the value of the cases?
Simple. Just connecting the dots. It's just totally cookie cutter.
Straightforward.
Very easy.
Straightforward, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
That makes things a lot. How easy is it now going to be able to explain that to an attorney? In whether you know what creates a low ball offer or high ball or offer or policy limit award. You know the exact documentation that does that now and how to do it, don't you?
Absolutely. Yeah, and it makes it a lot easier for me to communicate with how I bring value to the client.
Right. What would you say to chiropractors that are considering doing a little more personal injury relative to taking a seminar?
Yeah, if you're going to do personal injury work, you have to meet with Dr. Paul. It's that simple. I mean, this is the best stuff you're going to learn anywhere. I've seen all the books, all the seminars.
And you've been to many personal injury seminars?
All around the country.
Yeah. And what's your case average, by the way, if you don't mind me asking?
Probably 5,000.
5,000. What state you in?
Massachusetts.
Massachusetts. So it doesn't take a whole lot for you to do real well fast, does it?
No.
Can you easily see how this would increase your business over $100,000 a year?
Very easily.
Very easily, yeah.
Not even a question.
Yeah. All right. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Yep.